everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and trying on of May's Boxycharm. I know it's got a piece missing. For some reason my mail carriers, they always put like the sticker over here and I always have to peel it off, and this time I wasn't so successful, so that's why it's got a piece missing. But speaking of which, it's really long this time. The box shape, it's like long. But anyways, so yeah, I'm gonna do an unboxing part first, and then after I do the unboxing, I will do the trying on portion. So yeah, if that is something that you're interested in watching, then please go ahead and keep on watching. Alrighty, so it looks like the theme for this month is Make Waves, and of course on the back it has the prices and the list of everything that's in the box. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to show you is, of course, I think the most talked about product in this month's box is the Glamglow GentleBubble Cleanser. And this retails for $28. The packaging, I love the color of the box. Just look at that. It's gorgeous. So it's just a cleanser that removes face makeup and daily impurities. Other than that, doesn't sound too different from any other cleanser. Here's the bottle. I'm going to go ahead and give it a sniff. I don't really smell anything. But this is the one product that I will not be trying out, just because I already have my makeup on, but here it is. It's just a pearly colored, pearly white stuff. I don't know. Like I said, I really can't smell anything from it, so I guess it doesn't have a fragrance. I don't know. But anyways, moving on. Next up is the Ciate London Eye Lustre Cream Eyeshadow, and I have mine in the shade Cupid, which I have watched several unboxing videos just because I'm curious. And I've only ever seen people get the shade. Here it is. It's weird. It looks purple, or like a very light pink or purple. I'll go ahead and swatch it. Oh cool, it's got one of those like the scrapers in there so that you don't get too much product. Ooh, it is very pretty though. Good lord, that's beautiful. See that? I mean, it doesn't even look like the color of it in the bottle. I mean, when you put it on, it looks more rose gold maybe. But there's that, and this retails for $22. Next thing I have is a Bodyography Eye Pencil in the shade Emerald. And here's the swatch for that. It feels pretty creamy. I wouldn't really call that an emerald though. It looks more blue to me. And I don't know how these two are gonna pair together. But I mean, it doesn't feel super creamy, and honestly, it feels a little pokey, so I'm not sure about this. I'm not a huge fan of eyeliner pencils. I mean, if they're creamy enough, I don't mind them, but this one doesn't feel very creamy. Alright, next thing I think is the one that I am most disappointed about, because I did take a sneak peek just to see what makeup I could put on. But yeah, this is the Dose of Colors, which I was super excited to be getting this brand, but look at the shade that I got. I got the shade Pinky Promise. Just look at that color. Ugh, I hate bright colors like this. And this is for sure bright. Look at that. It's like a hot pink. Ugh. I was thinking about passing it on to someone else, but I'll give it a shot. Oh gosh. Look at that. Alright, let's go ahead and swatch it. Man, my makeup's gonna look crazy today. Oh, jeez. There it is. Super, very bright pink. But anyways, this retails for $18. Alright, moving on to the last item in the box is the Alamar Cosmetic Blush Trio. It does have a mirror in there, but of course it's going to cover that up. But here are the shades. We have 3 shades. We have Castaway, Parasio, I don't know, and then Scorcher is the last one over here. Let me go ahead and swatch them. They do feel really creamy. The middle one I'm having to build up a little bit. But these are really not the best swatches. You really can't see them that well. It might just be my skin tone, but this one was Castaway. This is Parasio, I don't know how to say it, Paraso. And then this one, which you can't really see it, is Scorcher. Those weren't really good swatches, to be honest. Which honestly, now that I'm looking at it like in person, I'm really not impressed with the colors. It's because I really am not a big fan of orange eyeshadows, and not eyeshadows, blushes, and there's 2 of them. These are pretty orange, and then this one, I'm just not sure if these 2 will really work for my skin tone. For me, I mean, I think I could get this one to work for me, but I just don't know about these 2. But we'll go ahead and try it out. And this retails for $22, and I think I forgot to mention how much the Bodyography eye pencil was, and that one was $14. Alright, so let me tally it up and see how much this month's box is worth, and then I'll move on to the trying on portion of this video. Alright, so the overall value for my box this month was $104, and I also forgot to tell you which variation I got. I got variation 1. Alright, so that is everything I got in my box. I'm going to go on into the trying on portion of this video now, and at the end of that I will also tell you my final thoughts on this month's box. Alright, so I think the first thing I'm going to try is, of course, the blush. I'm going to try that out, and I'm just going to be taking just a Luxie blush brush. So I'm just going to go ahead and dip into this one. I may mix these 2. I just don't think this one will work for my skin tone, but I may dip into this one a little bit. I'll just dip into both of them and we'll see what happens. I'm actually kind of nervous. I really don't know if this shade's going to work for me, but maybe I'll be surprised. I mean, it's pigmented, but it's not overpowering, so it's definitely one that you could build up. I'm really not liking that orange shade, the Scorcher, so I think I'm gonna go in more with the pink. I don't know, it's just a personal opinion. I just personally like more pinker blushes, or like a mauve color or something. I'm not a big fan of orange. Can you hear my dog snoring? He's like sitting next to me. He's snoring away. It's so cute. Yeah, that pink one definitely is one that you have to build up, but it's pretty. It's like when you want a hint of blush. I don't know, is it showing up or is it too bright? Is my light too bright? I can't tell. Oh, turn it down a little bit. I don't know. Can you see it better now? Alright, I'm going to go ahead and try out the cream eyeshadow now, and I think I'm going to apply it onto my eyelid, and then I'm just going to blend it out with like a flat brush because I don't want to get the wand all dirty. I did put a transition shade on from a Kathleen Light Stream palette, just a light brown. Oh geez. I mean, I could definitely see this as being like a topper shade. I don't know if I would use this on its own. I'm going to go ahead and apply a little more. I'm trying not to go too heavy-handed in with it. It is really pretty though. Alright, so that is the cream eyeshadow on. I actually really like it. I kind of take it back. I think you could wear this by itself. I didn't think you could, but I mean, maybe like do what I did where I put a little, like a light tan transition shade on and then put this on top. But yeah, I actually really like it. I'm going to try to put this pencil on, the Bodyography pencil on, but I don't know. Maybe I'll just slightly do it underneath. I just feel like this look's about to get really crazy. I mean, it is showing up, which is good because I don't know if you saw last month's box that I did an unboxing of, the eyeliner pencil that I got. It was terrible. It wouldn't show up, and it was a cream one too, but it just would not show up in my waterline no matter how much I kept trying, and I kept trying to warm it up on my hand. I think that one was like $19 for that pencil, and I was like, I would not pay $19 for a pencil like that. Alright, there is the eyeliner on. I mean, it did go on, and it didn't feel too scratchy. Do I like the eyeliner? I don't know. I don't really like this shade for particular me. I don't know. It makes my eyes look kind of weird. But I mean, I don't know. At least we didn't get black, I guess, because it is kind of boring just to get black over and over again. I don't know. It's an okay product for me. It's not my favorite. All right, moving on to the last product that I'm gonna be trying on is this hot pink. Oh gosh. Dose of color. I'm just so disappointed. I didn't want the shade. I was like, if I get anything, please don't let me get the shade. Just my luck, but whatever. I'm just gonna go ahead and try it on. I'm probably gonna do a very light coat of this. I really don't want this bright pink on, but what is? All right. Oh my gosh, it is so bright. All right, get past the color. Formula-wise, it feels nice. Definitely might be one that you would have to wear a lip liner with. Oh, good Lord. Good Lord, look at oh, I'm looking pretty crazy right now. Oh my gosh. Okay. It is comfortable. Oh, I got my teeth, and it's not sticky, which is good. I hate it when lip glosses or lipsticks or anything is sticky on the lips. It seems to be drying down pretty quickly. Yeah, I mean, it seems like a pretty good product. The only thing that I don't like about it is the color, of course. But other than that, I'd say it is a pretty good lipstick. I don't think it's completely dry yet. No, it's not. Once it dries down completely, I will see if it's transfer proof. But while I'm waiting on that to dry down, I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you my final thoughts on everything. I don't know. I say my favorites is definitely gonna be the cleanser because I've heard a lot of good things about this. And honestly, I'm always, just thrilled when we get skincare stuff because skincare stuff is so expensive. So it is nice. I think it is worth it, paying the $21 just to receive something like this in there. I actually do really like the cream eyeshadow. I didn't think I was going to just because, I don't know, I'm not a big fan of cream eyeshadows, but this one is really pretty. And it seems to dry down. It's not, I mean, if I touch it, I get glitter on my fingers. So it's not completely transfer proof or anything like that, but I mean, you don't usually ever touch your eyelids. At least I don't usually rub my eyes whenever I have stuff on. But for the other things, I mean, I'm a pretty big fan of Alamar Cosmetics. I just don't really agree with the shade selection they have in here. I don't know why they thought some of these would work for someone with really light skin. I do like that middle shade a lot, that pink. I think it looks nice. I'll try to play around with it. I'll try to make it work. Maybe, I don't know. It might just be my personal opinion that I just don't like those shades. Maybe there are other people out there that like shades like that. Let me know down in the comments. Did you like the shades in here? Or am I just being really picky? For the Bodyography pencil, I don't know. I don't really like getting eyeliner pencils in boxes, honestly. It's an interesting shade. I don't know. I kind of like it, but then I just don't think that I will be reaching for this. And for the lip shade, you guys already know what I'm thinking of this. I don't know. It doesn't look bad. I think it's dried down now. It is definitely not transfer proof. Look at that. Yeah, I mean, I don't know if it's completely, it feels dry, but obviously it's not transfer proof. I don't know. I would just have to have a certain look in mind for this shade here, but honestly, I'm pretty disappointed. Alright guys, so that's going to do it for today. Let me know down in the comments, did you guys get any of these products, what you thought of them? Yeah, just anything like that. But yeah, that's going to do it for today, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!